Are you tired of the type of people you meet using cold outreach? Then this video is made for you because I'm going to share an exciting tool with you that's called My Most Trusted Network. Basically, what it does, it gives you access to this network of over 25,000 people that somebody else has, using this tool, gone in and verified this is a real person, because there's a bunch of bots and there's a bunch of people that are just affiliate marketers. They don't just want to sell you something. They're not interested in building relationships where actually you can sell the most, because when it comes to like a big ticket product or a serious problem people need solved, they don't go to the person that uses cold outreach. Most of them don't, at least. Most of them buy for somebody that they trust. So you have to build that trust, and that's where this network comes in, because you can connect with these people. The person you want to connect with, you find them in part of this network by getting to know a person that they know, that they can refer you to that person. So let's say, for example, that I was looking to find a new client for Company Saviors, and we would want to go in and help them with their cash flow, which is one of the main things that we provide. Or the story. Actually, let's say the story, because that's what we've been doing a lot recently. And this person, I come across their website, think we could do an absolutely wonderful job for this guy. I don't know him. I find him on LinkedIn. I see that he has a fellow most trusted connection that is very interested in communication. I could easily build up a relationship with this guy because we have a very common interest. And you could also use the tool to search. So actually, let's jump into LinkedIn. I'll show you a bit around. So, as you can see on LinkedIn, there's a little pop-up over here. This is the Match Me tool. This is really the most powerful tool of my most trusted network. And you can see Michael here. He's a 7 out of 10. That's basically, they have an AI that goes in, reads your profile, reads Michael's profile, and I give it some prompts that I wanted to search for, and takes those into account. And then, according to that AI, Michael is a 7 out of 10. And that's actually also how I met Alex, which is the trusted connection of Michael, which is why Michael is popping up. Because I know somebody knows him. I can go out and say to Alex, I would love to meet Michael. Could you please introduce me to him? And Alex also has a networking group, which is not a great thing. You meet these valuable people that can help you meet even more people, not only using My Most Trusted, but also using the other more well-known networking tools out there, like networking groups. Because now every Monday I meet a bunch of new people because I made one new connection that was valuable. And that's the thing about this My Most Trusted. Everybody in here is somebody else has chosen to give them a trusted recommendation, which means the value of the people, the average value of that person in here is going to be higher than the average value of the person you meet on LinkedIn. And they're also probably going to be a lot less likely to just want to sell you something without getting something in return, because relationships is what really sells things. Because if you are in the high ticket space or solving serious problems, people buy from people they trust and like. So building those networks and having a person that you already know, it doesn't even have to be them that requires the service. Everybody that they know closely might come and ask them and refer you that person, which is the whole power of this tool and why the compounding effect is so strong. Which is why I believe you should definitely go in and be a part of My Most Trusted. And the way you can supercharge it is going into Super Connectors, as you can see, I just did. Here you can see the Super Connectors. 2 people I would recommend you reach out to, besides me and Mike, is Gemma and Scott. Both of them, Scott is the founder of My Most Trusted, and Gemma is the brand ambassador. Both of them are absolutely lovely people. I've been on meetings with both. It was an amazing time. So just to have a good time, reach out to them and talk about this absolutely amazing tool that they're building that has, in my eyes, a massive potential, especially now that we're moving into more of an AI world and more of robots are doing more and more. This is a great way to make sure you connect with people. And when I do networking, I want to connect with people. I don't want to connect with a robot. If I want to speak to a robot, I can pull up ChatGPT. That's much easier to go out and actually find a person that I want to speak to on LinkedIn. So I think that pretty much rounds everything. Scott has a series on the specific things as I mentioned. That's down below, as well as the Chrome extension and also their website. Make sure to also check out our website if you want help with your cash flow story, your small business. We're welcome to all. Not welcome. That's the wrong goddamn word. This won't even be cut out. But you're always welcome. You're always welcome to reach out, and we will help you, or see if we can help you. We don't know yet. We haven't joined you, but yeah, reach out to us. Let us know what you think down below. Thank you very much for watching.